Hi, I'm Rick Joy. I'm the founder of EasyCAM, and I'm also a plumber just like you. In 2007, while running my plumbing business, I saw a need for a change when it came to sewer cameras. I wanted a camera that was owner repairable. And how do you do that? Well, we have a patented design that allows the plumber to do his own repairs. Simple plug and play design. If there's ever an issue with EasyCAM, we send the part to you. You fix it yourself using simple hand tools in less than maybe 10 minutes of time. EasyCAM is an American-made product. We have hundreds and hundreds of cameras out there, approaching even 1,000. We have a 2-year warranty, and we take pride in what we build. EasyCAM, it just makes sense.